Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are having an amazing day. This video is day 1 of Vlogmas, so I'm not doing every single day Vlogmas because that is just too much for me to film and edit, and I just know it would cause me a bit of stress. So what I'm doing is 12 days of Christmas. So I'm going to be creating 12 Christmas based videos. Some of them are going to be more vlog style, some of them are just going to be more like sit down and chat style. It's going to be a variation of different types of Christmas themed videos, but I am going to be sharing at least 12, if not more, videos this Christmas season. So I really hope you enjoy this one. This is the first one. I'm going to be making an advent calendar for my boyfriend Christian. So this whole idea came about because my brother and his girlfriend actually sent some homemade advent calendars for me and my mum, and I actually have it here. So what they've done is put little gifts into this like Santa sack. Yeah, here it is. So they're all like individually wrapped and they have like little numbers on them, so on what day to open them on. So yeah, it's really cute and I'm really excited to start opening them. But because I have one and I have one for my mum, I thought I should make one for Christian too so that he can join in and be a part of the fun. I don't actually know what Steffi and Matt put into my mum and I's little advent calendars, but I asked Steffi, who's German, what they tend to put in them because, yeah, in Australia, people usually buy advent calendars. I don't often see people making them, whereas in Germany, I think it's a lot more common to make your own advent calendars. So I wanted to make one for Christian and put some fun things in there. So if you didn't know already, my boyfriend Christian is an athlete. He does decathlon and we're coming into his comp season now. So he had his first comp the other weekend. And yeah, he obviously tries to like maintain a healthy physique the whole year round, but especially in comp season, it's very important that he is eating good foods, he's fueling his body, he's getting enough rest, etc, etc, not having too many like high sugar, high processed foods. So what I've tried to do, instead of going out and just buying him like a chocolate advent calendar, is actually make one that's, I guess, you know, got less processed foods in it. There are a few little kind of treat things in there, but yeah, most of it's not food, which is good because yeah, he needs to make sure he's prioritizing his health and fitness during this period. So I'm really excited that he'll still be able to like, yeah, be involved in the whole advent calendar, Christmas, festive season, but have like a slightly less high sugar, less processed version. So that's what I'm aiming to create today. I hope you enjoy it and I hope it gives you some ideas of what you could put in your own advent calendar or an advent calendar for a friend. Obviously this is for a boy, but you could put in very similar things for a girl as well. So yeah, let's start. And I vlogged a few clips of me like going and finding things. So I'll show you those now and then return back to me in the present day. All right, see ya. All right, I apologize in advance if the lighting's a bit weird, but I'm in the car park and I just quickly want to show you some of the things I got because when I get home I'm gonna have to hide them away. So firstly, I got a little cap because Christian has longer hair now, so he wears caps a lot to get the hair out of his face. So I had bought him a cap from Kmart before and he liked it and his favorite color is green, so I thought that'd be good, and it was only $6, so like not too expensive. Another thing I got for him was this little breakfast to go set. So it's like a little glass jar. See, cute little glass jar, and then it even has like a spot that you supposedly, oh yeah, it comes with a spoon. So apparently you can fit the spoon in there. There you go. And it stays together. So that's handy because he often has like oats and then he heats them up. So this is glass, so that's fine to go in the microwave and heat up his oats. Or he could make overnight oats in this and then have that. So I thought that was cute. On to the next thing. I bought him 2 different candles because they were super cheap. They cost like, this one was like $1.50 and this one was 75 cents. I thought those are good little things to put into his little advent calendar thing. So this one's vanilla and jasmine and this one's lime and coconut. Then what else did I get? Okay, so the last 2 things are kind of for me. So I don't know if I really need to show that, but I bought this little smoothie jar kit because I know I'm going to be making a lot more smoothies now that we're going into summer, and I don't really have a nice smoothie glass or like a glass that is the right size for a smoothie. So this one's really cute and it comes with a lid and a straw, kind of like the other thing that I got for him, but bigger because it's a smoothie one. And then the last thing I got, this is kind of random, like I don't know about it, but I bought these decorative Himalayan salt stones. So you know, like Himalayan salt that you put in a little salt shaker and you crack it. This is just like big versions of that, but I think they look really nice, and I was thinking of putting them in like a little glass jar or like a little tray, and then putting that in my study room to just like help create a bit of a vibe in there. So got that, and that is everything I got. I also checked out next door, there's a Kohl's, and so I checked out their Christmas range, but I don't think they've brought everything out yet, so I'll have to go back in another few weeks and film a whole video on that, because I do remember last year I did a grocery haul of like all the vegan options at Kohl's, and I also did one for Woolies. And did I do one for Aldi? I don't think I did. I think I just did Kohl's and Woolies, and they were really fun to film and to try out all the different vegan options. So I think I'm going to do that again if there are some new plant-based options, but I couldn't really see anything today, so we'll have to wait and see if they come out with some new stuff and if it's worth me filming another video. Let me know in the comments down below if you'd like to see that. Anyway, I'll catch you next time I'm doing something related to this advent calendar. Bye! Alright, so when I got home from that shopping trip, I had a look at everything I had, and I realized that I was going to have to buy quite a lot of stuff to get to 25 days worth. So I thought, what can I do that's easy but thoughtful? And then I realized coupons. I can make him coupons. That is the best idea. So I hopped onto Canva and I just used one of their templates and changed obviously like the photos and the fonts and the colors and stuff, added in my own text. And I made 6 really, well, I think they're good coupons for Christian. And yeah, I'm going to print them out and then wrap them up and use them for 6 of the days. Alright, so you would have seen I just made those coupons. So now I only have 9 more days worth of stuff that I need to buy things for. So I'm going to go to this like $2 shop / party shop place that I know has quite a few little cute things that aren't too expensive, because, you know, I don't want to be spending like loads of money on each day. That's why the coupons, that was a great brainwave that I got there. If you're making an advent calendar, or if you just want like a cheap but really thoughtful and nice gift to give someone, coupons is the way. I used to make my mom coupons every single year for Mother's Day, and it was like her favorite thing. I'm definitely going to do that again, because yeah, it's a really good present, and they usually always really appreciate it. And the funny part of it is that like people hardly ever cash them in. Like I gave Christian coupons once and he didn't use any of them, or maybe he used like one of them, but yeah, people like kind of forget about them, but they really are grateful for them when you give them to them. So yeah, if you need a gift quickly for someone, definitely go with coupons. And yeah, they're so easy to make on Canva, like super simple. So that's really good. And yeah, I've got a list of a few things. I will show you, hopefully I'll film a little bit when I'm in the store and can show you some of the things I get. Otherwise I'll show you when I'm back in the car afterwards. I'll see you guys soon. Bye. Alright, so I ended up getting not very much, and I didn't film because it was a bit chaotic in there. Like there were so many aisles and there were quite a few people, and I was like, I'm just trying to find what I needed to find, and I didn't really find that much. But I got this nice big bag. They didn't have any like sacks, like Santa sacks, which is what I wanted, but they got this nice big bag. It was only like $2 for a really nice Christmas bag, so I bought that. And then I got some wrapping paper again. It was pretty cheap, so that was good. And then literally the only thing I actually got for Christian's thing is these hair ties, because his favorite color is green and he has longer hair now, so he has to tie it up. But then I found this cute little glass container, and we need more glass containers, so I bought that, like for overnight oats and stuff like that. And then I also found this little Betty Crocker spoon set. So it has like a 1/4 teaspoon, a 1/2 teaspoon, teaspoon and tablespoon, which I think we had a set of these, but I lost a couple of them, so I needed some new ones, because it's really helpful, especially because I'm finalizing my ebook at the moment, and some of the recipes I'm just like slightly tweaking. And the thing is that when I make up new recipes, I never really film anything. I just like throw stuff in and like kind of hope for the best, and most of the time it works out, but then I don't actually have measurements of what I've used, so I need to go back and like remake some of the recipes, but with actual measurements, so that I can write down actual measurements. But yeah, that's basically all I got, so now I have to go and find some more stuff. Hi guys, so I was trying to not buy food to put in the advent calendar because Christian's an athlete, he's in his comp season now. I don't want to be like giving him unhealthy food, but I found some kind of healthy things to put in. So one, there's these like protein bars that he loves, so I got one of those. And then I found these little balls. They're like by this brand Health Lab. They're actually plant-based, and yeah, they've got like pretty natural ingredients like dates and nuts, and you know, the sweetener is like brown rice malt syrup. Yeah, and it's got like buckwheat and that kind of stuff. So they look really yummy. So one's like a caramel one, one's a hazelnut one, and then one is a lamington one. So I thought that'd be cute to put in. And then I also got some lip balm because we go through lip balm all the time, and this one has SPF 50, so because we're going into summer I thought that's a cute little gift, I guess. And then I found these little espresso dark chocolate covered almonds, and then I got him some gum just because I was really running out of ideas, and this one's apple flavor and he likes apple and I've never seen that flavor before, so I was like, give it a go. And then the last one I got is probably like the most unhealthy one, like it's just basically sugar, but like it's not that big of a serve, and like it's fine. Obviously like sugar can be definitely a part of a balanced diet, but yeah, it's just kind of like a little treat, something he probably wouldn't have had before. He might not even like it, but he can just try it. Anyway, I gotta race home because I've got a few things to do, and then Christian's got a competition. So this is the last video you'll see of me going and buying stuff, and then next time you see me I'll be wrapping it all up and giving a bit of a wrap up of how it went. See ya. I just realized that in the one that Steffi and Matt gave us, there's like their little kind of paper bags, so that's a lot easier. I actually just bought wrapping paper. Probably should have thought ahead and got like little bags, but oh well, we'll just wrap them. Again, like I couldn't find a stack, so I ended up buying this to put all the little gifts in, but that will work too. And then I just have to write on each of them what day it's for. So all right, let's get started. So we have these, which you would have seen me make earlier. So I've got 6 of those to cut up and put in little packages. And then here, I don't think I've shown you this yet. I bought this from T2, so it has 10 different flavors of tea, but what I'm going to do is make that into 5 days. So each day will get 2 flavors, just as a fun little thing. And then I think you've already seen everything that's in here. So yeah, I'm just gonna fast forward through this because I literally just showed you everything in the previous clips. But basically I'm just showing you everything again here. And then in a second we will get started with wrapping everything up. I'm just gonna count them all and make sure I actually have 25 things because I'm not sure if I count them right. Right, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 25, 24, 25. Alright, now it is time to wrap them all up, write the numbers, put them in the bag, and then I guess I'll try like film when he opens them, but that won't be in this video because I'm putting this video up first. So yeah, in my other videos I might like in little vlogs put in a little snippet of him opening some of them. Hopefully he likes it. I'm sure he will. Alright, let's get wrapping. Alright, so I've put this little section on 15 times speed because it would be so boring for you to sit through like 20 minutes or more of me wrapping. But basically, I just wrapped up each little present individually and I wrote on the day for each one, so from 1 to 25. So that he has something to open every single day up until Christmas from the 1st of December to the 25th. So yeah, as you can see, I put the little packets of tea, I put 2 in each little packet, and then everything else I wrapped up on its own and put the little day number on there. I also put little dates on the coupons for when it has to be used by, because then it kind of makes them want to use it within the year. And then if they don't use it, well, then it just expires. So I put a little year expiry date on the coupons, which is obviously up to you. You can make them lifelong, but hopefully it will mean that they actually use them and get some benefit from them, which I obviously like do want them to use them. But yeah, just keeping on wrapping.
I think I'm going to just cut to the last part soon because this is a lot of wrapping. But yeah, it was a lot of effort, but I definitely think it was worth it. Like, I also find wrapping in general can be quite therapeutic if, you know, if you've got nothing on that day, or like if you don't have a super busy day, sitting and wrapping for half an hour or an hour can actually be, yeah, quite therapeutic. So I quite enjoyed this process, even though it was quite prolonged. I also got out some paper clips and paper clipped closed the coupons, just so that he wouldn't accidentally tear the coupon apart when he opened it. So that's what the little paper clips are for. But yeah, that is it for this little wrapping thing. I will tune back in with you in a second.
All right, well, there we have it. This is the completed advent calendar with 25 gifts wrapped up inside there. I hope you enjoyed this kind of vlog style video showing you this fun little idea. I actually highly recommend doing it because I know, like, I felt joy just going and buying the things, but I'm going to feel even more joy like seeing him opening something every single day for December. So it's a great gift obviously to give to someone you love, but also for yourself, because I feel like giving, like, it benefits you just as much as it benefits the person, in my point of view, like especially when you're giving from a place of love. So yeah, if you are inspired by this and you want to do it yourself, let me know in the comments down below. Honestly, like, even if it's already December when you're watching this, something you could do is, you know, just start the advent calendar later, or use some of these ideas as stocking stuffers or stocking fillers, because stockings is another great thing that I love to make. I don't think I'm going to do it this year just because we've got the advent calendars this year, but in the past I've done stockings and they're so fun. Like, even being an adult, like, I just love it. It's so fun, especially when you fill it with things that actually, like, you're going to use them or they bring you joy. Like, I feel like a lot of people just put random stuff into stockings that they don't really care about, but I think if you put some thought into it and put like genuinely kind things like the coupons or yeah, any of the other ideas that I used here, I think that's a really good use for some of the ideas I mentioned in this video. So let me know if you enjoyed this video. I'm looking forward to seeing you guys in Vlogmas / 12 Days of Christmas Day 2 coming up soon. So yeah, I'll see you guys then. I hope you have an amazing day and a great start to your festive season. See you next time. Bye.